Here on the WIX editor, you can just choose any specific place to place the Google Maps widget later. So for example, I want to place it here. After that, you want to go to the left side of your screen and then click on Add Elements with this plus icon. And then here on the search bar, you want to search for Maps and then click on Google Maps right here that says Show Visitors where they can find your business on Google Maps. Here on the Google Maps, you can just choose any design and display of your business that you want to see for your customer. For example, I want to choose on this one. Just click on it or drag it from elements to any section. And there you go. You can customize the widget by dragging all around or make it bigger or smaller. After that, you can just click on the Google Maps element and then choose this manage locations at the bottom. Here you can choose how many locations that you have. Either you have one or multiple. And then you can just add the address by going to the Google search and then search for your restaurant and then open it. And then here on the address, you can just copy it. Here, I want to make it just for my example and then go back to the WIX site editor. And on the address, just paste it and click on enter. And there you go. And then on the title, you can actually custom the title on the maps. So for example, I want to make it as our resto. And you can also add a description and then the link on the location. And then if I click on the preview right here, and there you go. My Google Maps was shown in the WIX site in the name of our resto. And then don't forget to click on publish after you've done with all the changes, so your visitor can see all the changes that you've made. And that's how to add and embed Google Maps on WIX. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.